If your kidney is in danger, the body will give you these 8 signs. The kidneys are essential for your health, as they cleanse and detoxify the body, filtering 10-150 quarts of blood on a daily basis. They are located under the rib cage. They eliminate waste and excessive fluids from the body, regulate the electrolyte levels, regulate blood pressure, produce more red blood cells, and keep the bones strong and healthy. If they are endangered and their function is impeded, the entire health is at risk. Therefore, it is of high importance to learn to distinguish the body signs that indicate kidney damage and failure. 1. Urination changes. These are the most common early symptoms of kidney damage: trouble urinating, pale color of urine, frequent need for urination, and in large amounts. Foamy urine. Dark urine, reduced need for urination, or reduced amount of urine, frequent night urges for urination. Pressure during urination. 2. Swellings. In the case of destroyed function of the kidneys, the body cannot remove excess fluids and this leads to swellings, bloating of the face, limbs, and joints. 3. Metallic taste in the mouth. Due to the waste deposits in the blood, a person may have bad breath or a changed taste in the mouth. In the case of severe kidney damage, the person may experience a great change in the taste of some foods, as well as poor appetite. 4. Fatigue. In the case of healthy kidneys, they produce erythropoietin, which is a hormone that produces red blood cells which supply the needed oxygen for the body. If the number of red blood cells is lowered, the person experiences fatigue, brain, and muscles damage. This is a common sign of severe anemia as well. 5. Pain. Another common sign is a pain in the upper back, where the kidneys are, and the pain may also be accompanied by kidney stones and infections. 6. Shortness of breath. Kidney damage may also lead to shortness of breath, as the body is deficient of oxygen, due to the reduced number of red blood cells which deliver oxygen all throughout the body. Their number is reduced due to the accumulated toxins in the lungs. 7. Bad concentration and dizziness. The deficiency of oxygen in the brain may indicate severe anemia, or kidney failure, which can lead to poor concentration and focus, lightheadedness, dizziness, and memory issues. 8. Skin rashes. The waste deposits may also lead to kidney failure, and the skin may be itchy and covered with rashes. The waste gets accumulated in the blood, leading to an unhealthy appearance of the skin, making it irritated and dry. This can be alleviated a bit with the use of creams and lotions, but the real problem is internal, and should be treated as such. Regarding all this, it is of high importance to take proper care of the health of the kidneys and consume high antioxidant foods, supplements, and a proper amount of water. This will support the function of the kidneys, prevent complications of this kind, and maintain a good overall health. Furthermore, it is essential that you consult your doctor in order to treat these issues, in case you experience these symptoms.